Artificial intelligence is not magic. It is a system built to process data. Everything in AI starts with data. AI systems collect information from many different sources. Before learning begins, data must be cleaned and prepared. Only the most important features are selected. These features are processed using neural networks. This stage is called training. AI improves by learning from mistakes. Over time, the model becomes more accurate. When training is complete, the AI is ready to work. This process is called inference. AI makes decisions based on probabilities. This is how AI recognizes images and faces. It also learns how to process human language. AI can respond in real time. Some systems continue learning after deployment. Humans guide and control AI systems. AI is powerful, but it has limitations. It does not think or feel like a human. Artificial intelligence is shaping the future of technology.